Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to learn the ternary operator in JavaScript. Before we start, make sure that you are subscribed and you like the video and comment and share it to your friends. So in this video, we are going to learn JavaScript. Okay? And let's begin. Now what I'll do is I'll be teaching you the ternary operator. Now what is the ternary operator? Before that, I'll do some if-else questions. I'll just show you something. If age, suppose I has driver's license, and is equals to true. So I made this variable has driver's license is equals to true. Now if I want to print in the console that I have driver's license or I don't have driver's license, so what I'll do is if has driver's license, then what I'll do is console.log. I can do is I have driver's, and if I don't have, I can use the else block. I basically do it like this, and if I refresh, you can see the output. I have a driver's license. Now as you can see, like you have to write so much of code just to like print one line to the console. So instead of that, you can use the ternary operator. The ternary operator, what you can only use it when you have to write only one line of condition in the if-else block. We can't use it like for many lines. This ternary operator is actually an expression, but the if-else is a statement. The ternary operator is an expression, so you can get a value out of it. Like suppose I can write this in another way. So I'll tell you. I'll make a variable const print is equals to. Now the syntax of the ternary operator is something like this. You put the value of the brackets here, the expression here, the question here, has driver's license, and then a question mark. This is important in the syntax. And then the if condition. In the if condition, what do you want to write? I want to write this. If I have driver's license, print this to your console like this. And the else block, I'll make a colon and then I'll write the else block here like this. Control C and Control V like this. So in one line only I can do it. Like has driver's license, question mark, and then the if condition, and then comma, and then the else condition. It's that simple. And we can use the ternary operation only for one line code, not like multi-line code. Like if I have like multi-line code here, I can't like put here multi-line because this is a single line this code. This is a single line expression, the ternary operator. So you can't use like multi-line outputs. If you like only want to use this for a one line code, you can use it, but for multi-line code you can't use it. And what will happen is, why I'm storing it in a variable is because the ternary operator is itself an expression. So this whole thing will produce a value true or false. So this whole thing will produce a value, but I can't write a variable before the if else. I can't do this because this is a statement if else, so it will return no value. But the ternary on the other hand returns some value, so I can just store it in the variable true or false, and I can use it for one line code. And it has something, as I told you, it is a expression, so there's one more benefit. Like suppose I want to write console.log. More simple way to write this is like console.log I have or have not, have or have or a don't have. So I don't have a driver's license. So how will I do it is, suppose I have a driver's license. Now what if I want to use a ternary operator here itself? Like instead of printing the whole console.log, see now It said na in coding that don't repeat yourself. So what I'm doing is repeating myself like this. See, same to same, except this is the difference between this and this. So why am I repeating myself? I can just do this console.log have or don't have. So how I can do it is console.log, and then here put an expression. What I can do is here put the ternary operator, that do I have driver's license. If I have driver's license, then what I can do is simply print what? Have or don't have. So that's that simple. Like instead of writing this much big, you can just write console.log I have or have not. I have or don't have a driver's license. So what will happen is here it will return two values. Here in the expression it will return either have or don't have based on this value. So as I said, this is expression and this returns a value. So here what it will come is I have a driver's license, as you can see. And why this happened? Because this itself is an expression and this will return a value. Whereas you can't put a if condition, if else block statement here. Why? Because it is a statement, not an expression. This is an expression, so it itself can return a value. And instead of writing this much big, always you can just change this one letter, like that's have and don't have. So if I have it, then here I have will come, and if I don't have, it will come don't have. So it will return these value have and don't have. So it was that simple. You can do anything you want like that. And suppose like this. So it's pretty simple. Now if I change it to false, what will happen is it will become I don't have. As you can see, I don't have a driver's license. So it was very simple to understand, and it works only for single line code. So that's ternary operator. Hope you like this video, and subscribe if you are new. Comment, and the code will be given in the description, so no need to worry. And don't forget to follow me on Discord, Instagram and Twitter. I'll give the link to these in the description. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.